What's up, guys? This is your boy the guy, and I'm back here again with another video. Oh my god. It has been so many months since I recorded any video, and I promised myself this year I'm back on full time and I'm back to recording, getting content out. The STI, I have finally decided to do a couple work to it. I'm not going fast work, I'm just making it look good kind of work, you know what I mean? So just a quick update and tell you guys what we're going to be doing today. So today we got the STI out. It's been snowing the last couple of times, and I drove the car in the snow, and this car, oh my god, it's so fun in the snow. I swear to god it is. I have never had a car that's so fun to drive in the snow than this car. It's a little dirty. I tried to buff off some stuff the other day and I messed it up. You can see it. Got a little bit of stuff going on around here, but today we got the STI out here. There's somebody driving, so that's why it's loud. We got the STI out here, you know what I mean, looking a little lower than it usually looks. I have the front lip on it. I'm gonna take it off, paint it today. I'm doing the side skirts. I have some new side skirts, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna paint the side skirts, and I have the rear side skirts too, which goes on the back here. We're gonna put all that stuff on. The STI look good. It's dirty a little bit, but oh well. We'll clean the car up, wash it, give it a nice wash next week when we get the sun out next week. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and put the parts on there, do a quick install. Nothing really new to the STI, just a daily driver still, you know what I mean? I had a flat tire the other day, it was fixed. Just a little hole, we fixed it. The car's running great, it's running like a champ. It's a little dirty, but let's go right ahead and talk about what we're gonna be doing today. Okay, so today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be painting these rear panel and these side skirts, you know what I mean? I'll put the camera in a great angle just so we can get that on video whilst we paint. I'm not the best painter, so the paint might not come out that great, but I'm going to try, you know what I mean? I got some paint cans from wherever the fuck it came from, and I'm throwing that on there today, so we're going to go ahead and get right into the video, get this done quick. Alright guys, so these are looking good. I put a clear coat, one coat on it, so it looks nice. I am planning on installing it right now, and I'm not the best painter, but I did my best. We're gonna see it after it's on the car. Up close you can see some shiny spots on there, you know what I mean? What we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the surface area on the car and then continue from there. So what I did is I put the car on a nice lift, you know what I mean? I got some lights down there, and then I got a bucket with soap and water in there and a brush, and I'm just going to clean the surface underneath it and then go from there. So what I'm doing is just scrubbing. And then I'm going to clean this side, you know, to get all the dirt off the sides. So just wipe it down. Yeah. because we're going to be using 3M, we want to make sure the tape sticks. Okay guys, so the next thing I did was put the 3M tape. As you guys can see, I put the 3M tape on there, and I'm going to go ahead and place this on there and then go from there. But I wanted to show you the paint. It's not the best, but you know, kind of cleaner than what we had before. You know, I didn't want something gloss, I wanted something a little bit of matte in it, so that's what we went for, something with a little bit of matte. And I'm gonna go ahead and go for the install. So underneath it, it has 2 clips. It's supposed to have 3, but it looks like I'm missing 1. So 1, 2, 3. So we take those out and then go ahead and try to mount it. So I'm gonna go right ahead and kind of put it there, see what goes where, and then take some of the clips off. All right, before we put the car away and stuff like that, I thought I'd show you guys a better look of the rear spats and then the side skirts, you know what I mean? So we got the 360 all around it. We got the front, the side, and then the rear, you know what I mean? AERO is gonna flow around this car really smooth. I'm just kidding, there ain't no AERO out of this thing. Then it's gonna cause drag, but anyways, I just thought it'd be cool to do this, you know what I mean? So I did it. Car's looking great, it's sitting really nice too, so I really appreciate the car a lot more now, you know what I mean? It gave it a little black settle mixture in it, you know what I mean? So now if we lower the car, it's gonna look even better. Let's hope that the car looks really great. Sometime soon in the summertime, we get some coilovers, throw them on in, and then the car's gonna be really low. I love this car, by the way, just so you guys know. If you're looking for STI, I do recommend getting an STI. I like it, I like mine. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like, you subscribe, you share the video with your friends, your family. Come back for some more videos. But this is my 2018 WRX STI, and the build is gonna keep going on now. Catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.